Leave meeting. Got it. Got it. Prestigiga. Leave meeting. Prestige. Sorry.
Hare Krishna, you just unmute. Whenever I will call, you just unmute yourself. And then if I am not telling to unmute, just be muted. Okay. Now, first I will read first sentence of sloka. Immediately, this is the means this is yesterday we have read this sloka. This is first chapter, first sloka we have completed. Anyhow, for we will not waste that much time. And important thing, one line I will pronounce, and you have to make a note of you should have one notebook also, because some important points I will tell, so that you should write in the notebook. Okay. Hare Krishna. Now first sloka we are just which is important sloka. Dhritarashtra uvacha. Unmute yourself and tell.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, not necessary. All should unmute yourself and tell. Dhritarashtra uvacha.
Dhudrashtra Uvacha.
All should unmute. Hare Krishna. All should unmute. Okay. Are you able to unmute or not? Okay, wait. Okay. I have removed that. Now all can unmute. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre.
Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. Mamaka Pandavaschaiva. Mamaka Pandavaschaiva. Kim akurvata Sanjaya. All should remember that whenever there is small line on A, then we have to drag that. Okay, please mute. Hare Krishna. Yes, what I am saying, just listen. Whenever there is small dash on A, you have to drag that particular word in our whenever we are reading the shloka. And whenever there is a small dot below the S, that will become Sha. Or like here, whenever there is small dot on the S na, then we should pronounce it as Sha. Okay. Once again, I am just saying, see how I am just pronouncing. Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Why I am dragging it? Because I have to drag it because there is one minus. Okay, that you have to remember. Now, entire sloka I will read. Just see how I am pronouncing. Now, one by one I will call you. Then all should read the sloka. Today we will complete 3 important slokas by 7 o'clock. Okay. Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kimma Kurvata Sanjaya. Now, I will call the name. One by one, you should unmute yourself. Before my, I means don't raise the hand. Definitely, I will give chance to all. Okay, first. Ashlesha. Okay, yes, unmute yourself and read.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre. Samaveta Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Excellent. Now, can you read Kritika Reddy? Just try. I am there. I will help you. Read. Okay, I will read, then you just pronounce. Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre.
Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
सामवेतय युत्सवः
मामका पाण्डवश्चैव
मामका पाण्डवश्चैव
किम् अकुर्वत सञ्जय?
किम् अकुर्वत सञ्जय?
Yes. See, another important thing. When Kritika Reddy is reading, when Ashlesha is reading, what others should do? They should also read that sloka by muting themselves. Then only see we can pronounce it properly. Now, can you read Vihan? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
And those who have read, they should mute themselves. Okay.
धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे
सामवेता
सामवेद्यायुत्सवा मामका पाण्डवश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत सञ्जय?
Excellent. Now I am okay. Who else is there? Omkar and Vedika. Yes, unmute yourself and try to read better. Hare Krishna.
धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र सामवेतायुत्सवः मामका पाण्डवश्चैव किम् अकर्वत् सञ्जय?
Yes. Kim akurvata. There is T and akurvata Sanjaya. Okay. Now who is there? Samyan V Durgam.
Hare Krishna,
See,
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Don't waste the time in Hare Krishna also, because we are having only half an hour time. Immediately when I will say to read, start reading. And what others should, I am once again requesting, what I am telling, you should, by unmuting, same you should repeat the sloka. Okay. Yes, start. Samyan. Smayan.
Yes, sir. Yes, Prabhuji. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे. Prabhuji,
Samaveta Yuyutsava.
Samaveta Yuyutsava
Mamaka
Pandavasaiva Kim
Akurvata Sanjaya.
Akurvata Sanjaya. Prabhuji, I am not understanding that Kim Akurvata Sanjaya.
Yes, it is very Kim, and again there is place Akurvata and Sanjaya. Yes, Gurlin, I thought to give second sloka to you. This is easy sloka. See, when I will not call your name, Harshit, you should not unmute yourself. Okay, when I will call the name, then only you should unmute. Now, Laliteshan, yes. Hare Krishna, yes, start reading.
Dharmakshetra Kurukshetra
Samaveta Yuyutsava.
Samaveta
Mamaka Pandavaschaiva.
Mamaka Pandavakshaiva
Kim Akurvata Sanjaya.
Kim Karuvata Sanjaya.
Kim Akurvata Sanjaya.
Kim Akurvata Sanjaya.
Yes, yes. Now Gurlin, yes. Read.
धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र सामवेतायुत्सवा मामका पाण्डवश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत सञ्जय?
Yes. Another important point to be noted, that is, whenever there is C in Sanskrit, C and A, that you have to pronounce it as cha. You should not pronounce it as CAT, cat. No, you should not pronounce it as ka. You should pronounce it as cha. Okay, Gurlin? Next time you remember. Okay. Now we will go for next sloka. And those who did not read got the chance, just they raise the hand so that they can read this sloka. Okay. Now I will read one sentence. All should unmute and all should read. Immediately all should synchronize. One is starting at one time, other is starting other time. No, it should not be happened. Okay. Arya, everybody. कार्पण्यदोषोपहता स्वभावः प्रश्चाम once again कार्पण्यदोषोपहता स्वभावः see again कार्पण्यदोषोपहता स्वभावः now this is very big sentence. Then what we will do, we will divide it. Praschami tvam dharma Praschami tvam dharma Sammuda chetah Sammuda chetah See, again, this is also very big line. Yashreyasyan Yes, yach shreyas, yach shreyasyan Nishitam buhitan me Nishitam bruhitan me Shishyasteham Shishyasteham Shadimam tvam prapannam Shadimam tvam prapannam Yes. Prapannam. Now I will read entire shloka. You just see how I am reading. You just see. Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavaha praschami tvam dharma sammoda chetah yatre yasyan nishitam bruhitan me shishyasteham shadimam tvam prapannam. Okay, little bit it is means very lengthy slow lines are there, but no issues, you can learn easily. Now who did not get the chance, who is ready? Okay, Nidhi, yes, yeah, she is the old student, okay, no issues. Okay, Nidhi, you can read. You see, wait, Nidhi. When Nidhi is reading, when Arya is reading, when Gurleen is reading, what others should do? They should, by muting themselves, they should recite the by muting themselves, they should also recite. They should not simply see what the others are reading. Okay, even I am also doing the same. I am also practicing. Okay, now read Nidhi.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहत स्वभाव प्रच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढचेतः याश्रेयस्यान् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
Excellent, without any mistake. Now Arya, if you got the chance previous to read the previous sloka, now you should not raise. Okay, those only did not got, they should raise. Now start reading, Arya.
कार्पण्य दोषोपहता स्वभावः प्रच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढचेतः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
Very excellent. Now how Nidhi and Arya has read, because it is Bhagavad Gita, means Bhagwan ka Geet, yani it is the song of the Lord Krishna. We should sing as a song only. Now Ajraj, okay, read. I have unmuted. You can unmute. See, others should mute yourself.
Prabhuji.
Others should mute. Okay, Agraj, read. Read, you are
प्रच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढचेतः यच्छ्रेयस्य निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
Yes, excellent. Without any mistake, you read. Now,
chapter 2.
yes, chapter 2. This is only important Dikshita. Now you can try beta. Dikshita. Hare Krishna. Yes.
Sir, I am new student, sir.
Okay, no problem. Even though you are new, you can read. I will help. See, okay, no issues. From tomorrow you will, because all are new. Even I am also new now. You should not think others are very senior. They are learning. See, it's very simple. Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavaha. Like this also you can divide and read. Okay, no issues. Now, who else want to read? Wait, I just raise the hand so that I can call them. Okay, who want to read the shloka? Okay, Hriday. Yes. Hriday Chaitanya Gupta.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Just start reading. I will help it if you will stop. Okay.
कार्पण्य दोषो उपात स्वभाव
Praschami.
कर्म समुपचेतः
Yes, excellent.
निशितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेहं सिद्धिमं त्वं प्रपन्नम्.
Yes. Now, today 2 points you have to remember. Wait, all should remember. Whenever there is small line on S, that you should pronounce it as Sha. You should not pronounce it as Sa. This is one point I have told. Another important point is whenever there is A, there is dash on A, you have to drag it. Karpanya dosho. Like that you have to drag. This is second A. Okay. 2 things. And whenever there is a C, whenever there is a C and A, then you should pronounce it as Cha. This is the third point you have to remember. Okay. Then you can learn easily. Now still we are having 10 minutes. If someone want to read, I will. You can read, or else you just raise the hand. Okay, Gurleen, do you? Okay, Ashlesha. Yes, Ashlesha and Gurleen. Try. You both have to try read. Okay, then Vivan also. Yes. Read Ashlesha.
कार्पण्य दोषोपहतः स्वभावः पच्चामि तं धर्म सम्मूढचेतः ब्रूहितन्मे शिष्यस्तेहं शाधिमां त्वं प्रपन्नम्.
Excellent, without any mistake. Now Vivan or Gurleen, who will read? Vivan, read.
कार्पण्य दोषोपथा स्वभावः अर्चन् धर्म
Yes, nichitam. Sishyas
हम शादी मां त्वं प्रपन्नम्.
Yes, excellent. Without any mistake, you read. Now, Divyansh, you also raise the hand. Will you read? Yes, read. Read, or else we will go for new shloka. Okay, Chaitanya, again you read you have raised the hand. Why? Okay, read. Read. Others should mute yourself. What I told. Okay. Now still we are having 10 minutes. We will go for another shloka. You see, this will be the homework for tomorrow. I will send in the group also. Try to learn it. Okay. This is also important shloka. That is. All should unmute. I will read one line. Then you people should unmute and read along with me. Okay. Now. Sri Bhagavana Uvacha
Shri
Bhagavan uvacha.
All should synchronize. When I start, immediately you start. Okay. Asosyan anvasoschastvam. Again. Asosyan anvasoschastvam. Pragnavadam cha bhasase. Pragnavadamscha bhashase. Yes. Gatasun agatasumscha. Gatasum agatasumscha. Nanu shochanti panditah. Nanu shochanti panditah. See, I will read entire shloka. You just see how I am reading. Still 6 minutes are there for starting the class. Sri Bhagavan Vacha Asosyan Anvasoschastvam Pragnavadamscha bhashase Gatasum agatasumscha Nanu shochanti panditah. Yes. Now one by one I will call those names whom I am calling. Just they should unmute and they should read. Okay. Others should just means because we are having very less time. Now who will try? Gurleen, can you try?
Shri Bhagavan Uvaka
Vacha. CA means cha. Yes.
Vacha
Asosyan anvasoschastvam
Pranjanavadamanskabhes Gatasun Avyatnaha Nanuskanti Panditaha.
Excellent. Some 2 or 3 mistakes are there. No issues. Now who is new? I want to give chance to new Balaji. Yes, Balaji, read.
Yes. Shri Bhagavan
Uvacha
Uvacha
Asosyan
Asosyan
Anvasoschastvam
Annasoschaswam
Pragnavadamscha bhashase.
Pragnavadamse.
Yes. Gatasun agatasumscha.
Gatasun agatasamka.
Nanu shochanti panditah.
Nanu sochi panditata.
Yes, excellent. Now will you try Dikshita? Even though you are new, I know. Just try na. I will help you. I will help you definitely. Yes.
Shri Bhagavan Utvaha
Bhagavan Uvacha. Yes.
Vacha Asosa
Anvasoschastvam
Anvasoshaswan
Pragnavadamscha bhashase.
Bhagyavatan Sabhasase.
Yes, try this one.
Gutta
Gatasun agatasumscha. Nanu shochanti panditah.
Nanu Choti Panditaha.
Yes, excellent. Now I will give chance to okay. Aditri Pooja Krishna Lal. Wait. Can you try Aditi? Aditri. Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Asusyan Anvaso
Yes, anvashoscha
Tvam Pratnya Vadan
bhasase. Yes.
Vadansis Basase Gatasum Agadasum Cha Nanu Sokanti Pandita.
Yes, that's what I told Aditri. One thing all should remember, when C means you should pronounce it as cha. Okay, you should not pronounce it as ka. It is not CAT cat. It is CA means always cha. Whenever there is C means you should remember cha. Okay. Nanu shochanti panditaha. Now Akshraj Srijit, can you can unmute yourself. Last.
Yes.
Yes. Read the shloka.
Sri Bhagavan Uvaka Associan Anavasochas Tvaim
Prajna Vadams
Prajna Vadams Cha Bhashase Gatazan
Agadasumscha
Agatasumsas Cha Nanuso Chanti Pandita.
Excellent. Here you pronounced it as cha, and why you told this is also cha, na? When there is CA means you should remember it as cha only. Okay. Perfectly you read. Okay. Now still 1 minute is there, but we will end the class now here. We will end our shloka class here. Okay. Today we completed 3 shlokas. Hare Krishna. Okay. Tomorrow try to join by means half an hour early, so that we can learn how to pronounce, how to read the shlokas, how to pronounce. Okay. Hare Krishna.